Alright, so we have a gas valve here. It actually has a split on the pilot side. All I'm gonna do, like I've shown in previous videos, pop this little clip, like so. Hit this other clip over here. Just bring it down. You can see the little crack, which you could not see with the cover on. Has the number right there, ending in 023. The new valve just goes on like so, with a push. Just like that. The only thing you have to do is disconnect the gas. Zero, 2, 3. Didn't have to drain the tank down. Now all I gotta do is rehook it up, start the tank.